10 Steps to Achieve Financial Stability. You must take control of your finances if you want to be financially free so that you aren't drowning in debt. By actively saving, you will be prepared for unforeseen circumstances and costs. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 10 steps on how you can achieve financial stability. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Number 1. Recognize your current situation. If you don't have a place to start, it's impossible to achieve financial freedom. Start by determining how much debt you now have and how much money you don't have in savings. Although saving this necessity can be a dismal reality, it is necessary to take this step in order to pay off your debt. Make a note of all your possible debts, including your mortgage, any money you may have borrowed from family members, and everything else. To find out how much debt you have, tally up the numbers now. If it's a large number, don't worry. With perseverance, preservation, and the help of these steps, you'll be able to find a solution. Then, consider all the money you have amassed in savings. Make a list of all your savings. Include anything from savings accounts to employee-sponsored retirement matching schemes. Include all of your income as well. Keep these figures in mind as we move through the remaining financial freedom procedures. Number 2. Think favorably about money. You could be feeling a little dejected right now, but keep in mind that money is wonderful, even if it seems like a burden right now. You should be financially independent. Like food, money is a necessity. You can get the items you require and lead the life you desire thanks to money. You must view money as a tool that will enable you to achieve your goals and lead a fulfilling life if you want to enjoy financial freedom. This is so you won't unintentionally harm your prospects of succeeding financially, and more crucially, of keeping what you earn. Number 3. List your objectives. Why do you require cash? What are your objectives? When a financial goal is linked to an emotional one, it is easier to achieve. The objectives you listed probably won't be completed in a month. A year, however, is a sufficient amount of time to allow you to track your advancement towards your objectives. Additionally, achieving financial freedom is made a million times easier by having a clear grasp of your goals. Make sure your objective is linked to a specific figure that you want to achieve. You'll begin accomplishing your goals without even realizing it, believe it or not. Number 4. Monitor your expenses. Monitoring your spending is a crucial step on the path to financial freedom. You can use a variety of apps that are available online. These apps will provide you with information on your spending habits, overspending categories, total funds in all of your accounts, and debt load. Many of them offer goal-keeping sections in your user interface that will help you keep your attention on your objectives. Number 5. Reimburse yourself first. Gaining the coveted financial freedom requires taking care of yourself first. Simply put, this implies saving a certain amount of money before making any other payments. Why? This is due to the fact that whatever left over after paying yourself 10% of your earnings per period must be used to pay debts. If you don't have enough money to pay those bills, you'll have to work a second job to offset the shortfall. Paying yourself first ensures that you are constantly setting aside funds to invest in yourself. By doing the contrary, you only receive what is left over, which is frequently insufficient to enable you to save money and achieve financial independence. Number 6. Cut costs. Reducing your consumption can actually help you become richer. Spending less benefits you in 2 ways. One is that you have more money to save for financial independence. The second is that you'll come to realize that you truly require a lot fewer items to survive, which enables you to save more money. This leads us to our next point. Number 7. Spend on your memories and not things. Do the things you purchase ultimately make you happier? Does having a lot of debt from paying a lot of these things make your life easier? Life is brief. It is not necessary to save up all of your money until you are 65. You should take advantage of your life while you still have it, since in the end, it's your experiences, not your possessions, that will make you happier. Life consists of experiences. The best ones come from spending time with loved ones. While some goods, like weekly family video game nights, can help you become closer to your family, the majority of them don't really add that much. Number 8. Repay debts. After making their final debt payment, a lot of people experience the same feeling of relief. Even if you have $30,000 in cash on hand in the bank, you can't actually consider yourself financially free if you owe $50,000 in debt. You're still down by $20,000 right now. Paying someone else moves closer to the financial freedom even though it's not as glamorous as having money in the bank. The two major approaches to debt repayment are avalanche and snowball. Paying off the smallest debt first is known as snowballing. When you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate, it is known as an avalanche. You must choose what suits you the best. An enormous burden is lifted off your shoulders when you pay off a large debt. You see an increase in your bank account balance after paying off your debt. Even if you had to see the number decline at first, it's still an amazing sensation to see it rise, and it inspires you to keep increasing it. Number 9. Develop additional income sources. Now that we've established that, you're undoubtedly asking yourself, how can I pay off my debt if my income is insufficient? You have to make some sacrifices if you're serious about achieving financial freedom. Your 9-to-5 job might not be enough. If so, you must act and hunt for work outside of your current position to earn money. 7 different sources of income are advised by some experts. If you now work a 9-to-5 job, congrats. There is 6 more to go. Number 10. Make future investments. The final advice for achieving financial freedom is crucial. Say you follow the suggestions and guidance in this video. Pay off your debt and increase your savings. That might be plenty to assist you out right now, but what if the unexpected happens? Are you going to be ready for it? It's crucial to save money for retirement, unforeseen bills, and other contingencies. Whether you work a 9-to-5 job, ask your employer if you can add a retirement plan or see if they already deduct money from your pay for one. Next, you should set aside funds for your emergency fund, depending on the expert, $10,000 or 6 months of your earnings. And to be honest, if you don't make a lot of money, those numbers might seem excessive. Start with the target you can afford instead, like $100 for the first month. Additionally, if your income grows, start raising your objective to $500 per week, $500 per month, and so on. Don't use your emergency fund to pay down a large credit card bill if you've overspent. Instead, focus on finding other ways to earn active income so you can pay it off more quickly. Only unanticipated catastrophes, such as a tree falling on your house, a car accident that requires out-of-pocket expenses, or a trip to the hospital, should be covered by the emergency fund. By saving money for retirement and rainy days, you'll be less likely to find yourself in the same situation as now, pining for financial freedom. Finally, by implementing the advice in this video, you'll get a little bit closer to reaching the financial freedom you want. Having financial independence might enable you to take charge of your life. It's about budgeting, being a little thrifty, and ensuring that money is used for necessities like food, shelter, and vacations. Relaxation is important too. Examine your finances, create other sources of income, reduce your debt, and before you know it, you'll be debt-free. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.